Hello and welcome to GMP7.com, the #1 resource for all your good manufacturing practice documents and standard operating procedures templates, in existence for almost 10 years. If you're looking for high-quality GMP and SOP templates that are editable according to your needs, then you have come to the right place. Good manufacturing practice compliance is one of the most crucial aspects when producing medicine for human consumption. The key to regulatory compliance is to have all required GMP documents in place. GMP system standard operating procedures must be based on current good manufacturing practice expectations to demonstrate compliance and to succeed to any upcoming regulatory inquiry, like an inspection from the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, or from the European Medicine Agency, EMA, or any other health agency. All of our document templates are based on European and US requirements to assure compliance to current good manufacturing practices. They are written by highly experienced GMP experts and are of exceptionally high quality. Immediately after payment, you will be able to download the purchased Microsoft Word document. Just open the selected document template and simply adapt it according to your needs. You can paste in your company name and logo as well as any further company or details required. And that's it. You're done. Now you're ready to implement the new procedure within your organization, based on all the information provided in the document. By using our ready-to-use documents, you will save money, time, and resources. Don't hesitate to save time and cost by ordering your document templates now.